Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a ceiling board. Alright, so let's get into it. So first we come into ceiling. Okay, next we come to this one called honeycomb. Okay, you just double click in. So it will look something like this. So honeycomb, I will take one white color. Okay, so okay, maybe I use this one. Alright, so drag and drop. Okay, this one I change the size first. So I set 600. Okay, 1200. Right, maybe I set into position 00 at the corner. Oh, this one 0 0. Okay, so I can either like this fill, so it will look like this, or another way I can do is clear, put like this 600,000 to 0 0. Another way I can do is continuous. Okay, around like that. Then maybe the gap in between I put 25 or 50. Once I'm done, then you will have your ceiling board. Okay, hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.